Unlocking the mystery of Until the Wee Hours. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase in English, until the wee hours. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins, helping you to master this expression and add it to your English repertoire. Until the wee hours is an idiomatic expression that refers to staying up very late at night, often until the early morning hours. The word wee here is a key part of the phrase, meaning very small or early, which in this context relates to the early, small hours after midnight. This phrase is often used to describe someone staying up late into the night, whether they're working, celebrating, or engaging in any activity that extends past the typical bedtime. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. We stayed up until the wee hours talking and reminiscing about old times. The team worked until the wee hours of the morning to meet the project deadline. After the concert, fans lingered until the wee hours, hoping for a chance to meet their favorite singer. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing activities that extend late into the night. While the exact origin of until the wee hours is not pinpointed, it is believed to have Scottish roots due to the use of wee, meaning small, or little, a common term in Scottish English. The phrase has been widely adopted in English-speaking countries around the world, capturing the essence of late-night endeavors with a touch of poetic flair. Understanding phrases like until the wee hours is crucial for English language learners because it helps in comprehending the cultural nuances and everyday expressions used by native speakers. It enriches your vocabulary, making your communication more vibrant and authentic. Plus, knowing such idiomatic expressions allows you to engage more deeply with English literature, movies, and conversations. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning behind until the wee hours. We hope this video has illuminated this charming expression for you, making your journey in English language learning even more exciting. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about capturing the essence of life's moments, no matter how late into the night they stretch. See you in our next video.